Well, hello. Thank you so much for being with us. Today, the purpose of this video is to let you know there's a really exciting financial empowerment workshop that's being done in Brampton on Saturday, April 27 from 4 to 6. Refreshments are provided. My book, which is on personal finances, the first 20 people are going to get a free copy of my book. The first 20 people who arrive. There's two speakers. There's myself, and I'll be teaching on pursuing financial success. We're gonna have a panel after. We have another lady, Miss Addie from RBC. She has 30 years experience. She's gonna be doing a workshop. We're gonna have a panel after. We're gearing it to people of all ages. So there's actually good content. If you have a young person, really good stuff. If you're a senior, we're gonna make sure that it's a valuable use of your time. And if you're like between 20 and 65, incredible education for you. Now, Pastor Hannah, they're hosting this event, and can you tell us a little bit about the other speaker from RBC? And by the way, in the notes below, there's a link, and that link is Miss Addie, and she's going to be explaining a little bit about what she's going to cover. But if you tell us a little bit about her and about the event.
Thank you so much, Mark Albert. Yes, April 27 is going to be wonderful. We want to empower our community financially. So it's a financial empowerment workshop. And Adejisola Atiba is one of the managers from RBC, which is Royal Bank of Canada. She has been with RBC for over 13 years and experience in financial advisor for over 3 decades, 30 years. So she's going to be looking at talking to our youth and our teenagers, because these days you see them in the college, the university, some banks come and give them free credit, give them credit card, and they don't have the understanding. They think credit card is just spend it until when they receive letter, pay back. So we want to educate them, the teenager and the youth, and at the same time, she will be talking about how to empower even the elders, the seniors, how to be on top of their finances, which is the most important thing. Because these days, a lot of people are into debt. A lot of people, they just spend it. Absolutely. So you need to balance it. You know, what is your income? What are you spending? So it's very, very important. And the address is 18 Regan Rd, Units 31, 32, and 33. Brampton, Ontario. Postal code is L7A1C2. Address again, don't miss it. 18 Regan Rd, Units 31 to 33.
And that address, we're going to put it in the notes below so you can always see it. 18 Regan Road, and there's 3 units, 31, 32, 33. And we'd love to have you here. There's going to be lots of refreshments. The first 20 people are going to get a free copy of my book, and there's going to be a lot of excitement. So please come April 27th from 4 to 6 in Brampton. Have a great day. Thank you so much for being with us. Look forward to seeing you then.